During last month's Customer Contact Week event on the Gold Coast, between the tropical downpours and the thunderstorms, there was one word on everybody's lips: cloud. Both cumulonimbus and the nimble communications varieties. Despite cloud having been around for a while, the use cases have been mixed. The technology has left many organisations scratching their heads as they figure out how to truly empower their contact centre agents and reap the benefits that they were promised. Throughout the event, I spoke with dozens of contact centre leaders, customer experience designers and digital executives, those at the coalface of customer engagement. Regardless of the size of their business, leveraging cloud technology to enable the best possible customer experience was front of mind for each of them. With CX emerging as one of the most critical business differentiators, particularly in the wake of the Banking Royal Commission, which laid bare the consequences of getting CX wrong, those on the front lines of customer engagement wanted to know how to supercharge their contact centres and get the most out of their cloud investments. The common theme in discussions was that many had made the shift to cloud, but weren't sure what to do next. Despite this, when cloud is properly considered and release cycles are mapped out strategically, the possibilities are endless. The first, using non-traditional data. So every second, data is being generated from connected devices unimaginable just a decade ago. Each of these devices is another piece in the puzzle that's painting a picture of customer and their unique needs. But unless contact center agents have access to that data, it may as well not exist. A cloud-enabled contact center introduces the ability to bring non-traditional data sources to each agent, giving them a more complete view of the customer. In healthcare, this could be connected medical devices such as Fitbits, heart rate, blood pressure or blood sugar monitors. In emergency services, data from smoke detectors, weather stations or drone footage could enable agents to give the most up-to-date information when it's needed most. Gartner predicts that there will be 25 billion Internet of Things devices globally by 2021, and cloud-enabled contact centers give organizations the ability to form a complete view of their customers, predict their needs, and provide truly tailored experiences. The second is enabling flexible operations. It used to be said that the only constant was change, but it seems these days the only constant is crisis. This year started with Australia being ravaged by bushfires as millions of hectares were burned and capital cities left blanketed in smoke. The past few weeks has seen COVID-19 force thousands into isolation and put entire countries into quarantine. In these times of crisis, it's critical that the nation is still able to function. Business continuity, a term that seems vague when things are going well, becomes sharply into focus. Cloud-enabled contact centers provide the flexibility needed during these times, whether by ensuring resources can scale up to meet unprecedented volumes or allowing agents to work remotely if they're unable to reach the workplace. Cloud can maximize business continuity when your customers need you the most. The third point is addressing both agent and customer needs. You see, in today's digital world, customer needs are constantly changing, and so too are the needs of the agents who serve them. But the agent experience has been neglected. In large organisations, particularly those still largely using legacy systems, receiving buy-in from business leaders for technology investments can be a long and arduous process. By the time a purchase order has been approved, needs have shifted again. Cloud-enabled contact centers allow those closest to the agents and customers to deploy new features without needing the hands-on support of the IT or finance departments. Once the cloud foundations have been laid, new capabilities and customer experiences can be released without having to navigate the traditional restrictions of IT. Critically, cloud in the contact center must be seen as more than just a cost-cutting exercise. When viewed through the prism of improved customer experience for customers and agents alike, cloud is a powerful catalyst for customer loyalty, improved productivity, and employee retention. To effectively use any new capabilities in your customer experience roadmap, it's also key to be able to test the customer and agent experience simultaneously. Cloud enables you to A/B test in a small pilot before rolling out to the full customer and agent base. Unfortunately, in many cases at the moment, this is being held back by the misconception that any change will hurt customer experience. The fourth outcome is bridging the digital divide. The trend towards improving customer experience has seen huge investments in new public-facing digital products, offering AI, automation and machine learning capabilities to customers. But the same technologies haven't flowed through to the agent experience. And this is creating a digital divide in which agents are trying to support digital customers or consumers with analog tools and processes. In the more complex cases where customers have to call through to an agent, many have already tried to self-serve and have failed to find the answer, but the agent is given no insight into this journey. Agents need the same technologies in their corner as have been rolled out in CX initiatives. AI, chatbots, voice recognition, automation and machine learning services are all available to our customers through our partnership with Google Cloud and the integration of Google's AI engine into Avaya's core contact center platform. But it must first be recognised that agent experience equals customer experience. So if you've invested in your cloud contact center and are underwhelmed with the results to date, or are unsure where to go next, please feel free to get in touch and learn how to give your agents the superpowers they need.